last stop for the Italian trip this time. We are in a modified shop, in a big shop, and we're going to see a lot of interesting things now. Here we have, what is your name?
Come ti chiami?
Denis Salani, faccio parte del D&D Star Team, diciamo che sono uno dei soci fondatori. Siamo partiti nel 2005, lontano 2005, con un'idea stranissima e oggi siamo qua che siamo arrivati con questa idea di questo progetto di trattore.
Okay, and here the tractor is completely apart. And this is powered by a radial engine. So we come to that later. Tell us a bit about the chassis, what rear end it is, and so on, how this all works.
Allora, questo qua è un telaio autocostruito tutto in tubo, ce lo siamo costruiti noi in casa, tutto in cromo molibdeno. Il differenziale è un differenziale sempre autocostruito, completo di riduttori in alluminio che si possono proprio vedere da sopra, è tutta roba che ci siamo sempre costruiti noi in casa. E questo qua monta un motore stellare, vedete qua, 18 cilindri, 54.900 di cilindrata, e 3.700 cavalli originali, alimentato da benzina e in parte metanolo.
So this is an 18-cylinder radial engine, Curtiss Wragg 3350, with original 3500 horsepower, which is in this version here with the carburetor. Then we have in here is a supercharger. We can have a look at the inside of another engine over there. It's a set of full of 2000 tires on Russell aluminum rings. Yep. And then we here have another chassis in the works for probably super stock or pro stock. What is it going to be? Component something.
Like
Limited.
limited.
For a limited super
For a
stock
limited
project.
super stock project. Okay, nice. So things are moving on here. Good. So very light rear end. What is this original? Is it Deutz or Rockwell or?
A Rockwell rear end.
It's a Rockwell.
Reference. With homemade planetary.
So these are based off what, Caterpillar or yeah.
Gli originali Caterpillar da Pala.
Palanoma, che gli ingranaggi sono di una Palanoma.
These probably in origin come from ZF Planetary,
Okay.
from a Hanomag.
So the same as yours.
Yeah.
So AP.
And
Seven.
Ashkash Reverser.
That's reverse the driveline. There's a little planetary gear in there. This is the bell housing for the clutch. Yeah, so I like that rear end.
Yeah.
This is very light, and because it's round, doesn't hold too much oil. Yeah, and this tractor runs in the light modified class, which is 2,500 kilos or 5,500 pounds.
Possiamo vedere un motore smontato in fase di revisione e di montaggio.
So here we are in the engine room.
Qua abbiamo l'albero motore, la
This
parte
is
centrale,
the crankshaft, which is split.
la parte esterna che mantengono i cilindri.
Yeah, so this is the middle piece of the block. So this is where the crankshaft goes in. And
La parte della distribuzione della
then
punteria.
this would be the cam, not the camshaft, but the cam ring, which then opens the valves.
La parte opposta delle punterie,
So this is top piece and bottom
con tutti i
piece,
rullini.
and then you can actually see
Roller.
the roller lifters for the valves. Everything's going in circles in this engine. So then this
La
is
parte dell'aspirazione, i condotti d'aspirazione.
The intake manifold.
that's the intake manifold with probably supercharger.
E qua sotto c'è la ventola del compressore volumetrico.
Yeah, supercharger in there. So air goes in. Well, fuel mixture comes in here with a centrifugal supercharger blown out through here into then the cylinders which sitting on here being fed from there. So then this is the connecting rod of the first row of the engine. So we have one main rod and side rods. So you better tell that in Italian too.
No.
Explain the rod in Italian, please.
Spiegagli cos'è tutto qui, perché c'è una biella grande e qui c'è una biella piccola.
Allora, praticamente questa qui è la biella madre di questo motore e attaccato a questa biella madre ci sono le altre 8 bielle piccole. Nella rotazione del motore praticamente avviene l'esplosione, diciamo, dei 9 cilindri in sequenza, sfasate tra una stella e l'altra stella, perché le stelle sono doppie. Quindi avremo un imbielaggio e l'altro imbielaggio che è questo.
It's the second rod for the second row. And this is also a crankshaft which is in several pieces with the counterweights in here. Yeah. And you have here the ignition.
L'accensione, il magnetico.
Magnetos, yeah.
Originale.
Original ignitions, yeah. Which then have the distributors sitting there. Yeah, and then this is the rest of the block where the prop drive is coming out. Yeah, nice. So, and why is everything apart at the moment? They had a very good pull at the last event. Did they break something or is it just winter check?
Perché avete smontato tutto dopo comunque il buon tiro che avete fatto l'ultima gara? Ci sono
Allora-
state delle rotture o dovete controllare?
No, il motore che utilizziamo per gareggiare è quello che abbiamo visto là completo. Questo è un motore che stiamo ultimando per avere un motore di scorta.
The engine used for the last race is outer. This is another engine prepared for
A spare engine.
for a spare engine for the next season.
Okay,
And
nice.
is overhauled and checked.
Are they doing this all on their own or do they have any help?
State facendo tutto in casa o avete qualche aiuto?
No, solitamente facciamo tutto noi in casa. Riusciamo-
Always homemade.
Nice. Most other teams I know they always have some specialists coming and
Anche
do.
molti team chiedono delle parti speciali che vengono da altri mezzi.
There's an old aircraft mechanic in Holland who has made his apprenticeship on these engines. He still knows everything about them.
Ah, ok. Dice che c'è delle conoscenze in Olanda di persone che conoscono un po' questi motori, hanno
Questi
proprio...
motori qua noi ci eravamo appoggiati anni fa a Pitt e Ann.
In the past we have helped from Pete the Altman.
Yeah.
Abbiamo dei problemi grossi che non riusciamo a risolvere,
When-
una telefonata lui c'è sempre.
When I have a big problem to not find the solution, I call
Call
Pete for
Yeah.
helping.
Good that he's around and can help us all. Yeah, nice. So yeah, I will insert some video of the tractor running.
Ci sono i pistoni.
So yeah, this is the pistons.
C'è un cilindro tagliato.
Just to give you a little bit of an idea, this is my hand. Yeah, and then this is a broken cylinder.
Abbiamo tagliato così,
Yeah.
tagliato con la testa per dire le valve.
We have a 5-disc clutch. Lots of weights on it.
Sì, lo mettiamo su per fare la fase, una volta che abbiamo fatto la fase tiriamo su.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yep. More pistons. Intakes. Yeah, this is a big, big puzzle.
Yeah. One curiosity was cut
Okay,
to
again.
check the correct phase during the montage of engine.
Okay, yeah. So, tiny little valves. Oh my god, yeah. Parts. Yeah, cool. So, how long does it take to rebuild an engine like this?
Quanto tempo vi serve per assemblare un motore così, per avvicinare un motore così.
Ma lo facciamo sempre a tempo perso, quando utilizziamo uno, cioè nell'annata facciamo l'altro.
We build an engine during the free time after during the year. Not I don't know. I need 1 month, 2 months, but 1 year.
1 year, yes.
1 year with the one engine and 1 year with another engine.
Yeah, so in rotation.
Yeah, in rotation.
Okay.
All in rotation.
Yes. How many engines does he have? These two, or does he have
4
one?
engines.
4. Okay. So the other ones are also ready or still in?
Avete solo 2 motori preparati o anche gli altri?
No, 2 motori
Only
preparati.
2 engine ready.
The engine and the
Questi
rest.
di
Yeah.
cambio, gli altri.
The other 2 engine is for spare parts.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. When did they start with tractor pulling?
The 22005.
Okay.
07.
And then directly with this engine, or did
Yeah.
they have something? So just
From the
went
start.
right from the big. Where did they get them from?
Da dove derivano? Da dove li avete presi?
Li abbiamo trovati qua in Italia.
We have pinned this engine in Italy.
Okay, so from the old Italia, Italia probably.
Yeah.
Era una partita
Constellation.
che ce n'era una quindicina, che noi ci siamo arrivati a prenderne solamente 4 e dopo gli altri abbiamo dormito e è venuto a prenderli ero di giù.
Ah, okay. We pinned 15 of this engine in Italy, but able to buy only 4 engine, and the other engine is able to buy Rodalier.
Luxembourg. Okay. Yeah. He still probably has them.
I don't know.
Are they in contact with Sir Jacobi or?
Siete in contatto con Sergio di Rodalier o no?
Ogni tanto, però
A few
sono...
times.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. So this is a little bit about the engine.
Yeah.
Amazing. I go in. So an old 3-axis mill.
It's only
Lathe.
for the use on the pulling, not for the job.
Yeah, this is. Yeah, but you can do a lot of things with it.
Yeah,
It's,
yeah, yeah.
you know, better to have one than don't have one. For a deal. That was still 7,000 pounds. Yeah,
2006, 2007.
2000.
2006 or
Yeah.
2007.
Yeah. Yeah. A lot of work. And that chassis is going to become a Fiat, he said. And what engine is he going to put in? Because the limit in the limited Superstock, I think, is 7 point something.
80, 67, 46 sicuramente.
1877.
Forse
No,
80,
47.
no, 80, 60, 46. 83, 60, 46, scusa.
83, 16, 46. Engine come from e veniva dal non ero più agricolo. Come from Harvard.
Yeah, but they have to be 7.8 liters.
7.6
Or 7.6, yeah, okay.
Riesce ad arrivare a 7016 nel
Arriva, sì, è 7600.
Yeah, and,
Yeah,
the,
she's 7.6 liter
yeah.
of capacity.
And then they want to run 2 tractors, or is that one for somebody else?
Pensate
Or?
di correre con i 2 trattori o uno al posto dell'altro?
Quest'anno no, sicuramente. Quest'anno porteremo avanti il gioco. Prossimo anno
Yeah.
pensiamo di...
Not for the 2023,
No.
only with Joker.
Yeah.
But in the future, probably with the tractor.
Because they do not have enough work with the radial, they now need another tractor.
No, another project.
You didn't understand.
Okay, sorry.
I said because they do not have enough work already.
Ah, ok,
They
ok.
need to make a second tractor.
Perché non arrivate abbastanza degli stellari, fate un altro trattore, show.
Esatto.
Understand?
Okay, great. Yeah, I mean this is as good as it gets. Yep. And the reason why this has to become a Fiat is when we came here, outside there was a lot of old Fiat tractors, and this is what they do with them. They restore Fiats. This is a super nice job here. Looks better than it came from the factory. Yeah, great. As you can tell, they mean business. Ripped open another door and oops. Oh, yeah. 1300, yeah. 1300 Mercedes. Big Fiat with a 903 Cummins. And more big Fiats. Jesus. 160, 90. Another big Fiat. Yep. Like a little museum here.
Yeah.
Tiny one. ETR. Oh my god. Made by Versatile. Yeah. Yeah, they have big farms in this area. They need big tractors.
C'è questo qua che
Oh. Yeah, we're in Italy. They're starting the food now. I think we finished with the video for now.
Yeah.
Thanks for showing us around. And yeah, see you on the track soon. That's it.
Ci vediamo in pista, poi ciao.
Ok, ciao.
Ciao.